Because if you really want to change, then you need to do the wow. It's that easy.
It's like an explosion of experiences.
I feel very empowered now after the wow.
I felt so safe and so taken care of.
It actually sets you free.
Overall expression of emotions, past emotions related to conflicts in my life that I didn't fully resolve emotionally. There was anger, there was sadness because of lost relationships. And I was able to express those emotions and come back to a loving state toward those people. That's super valuable to me.
To step out of my comfort zone or step out of the ordinary and to do things that were a bit scary for me or a bit unusual. And I learned that the more I share about myself, the more I show myself, the more people can relax with me and say, hey, you're a friend, we trust you.
My body was still in a shock trauma about an accident that happened for me 20 years ago. I could dig deeper and deeper and finally reach the fear that was underneath, and it came out, and it wasn't a happy sight. But I'm really happy and grateful because the fear was causing me to be depressed and anxious all the time, and that is a huge change I've made here during the wow.
That I can open up to new people, that I'm actually very curious, and I love connecting with people. I had this image of myself as a distant and a shy person, and I realized that I can also be otherwise.
It's like an explosion of experiences and love and sadness, and it's like touching life.
And if you're looking to change something in your life so that you feel happier and more fulfilled, it's the perfect thing. But if you're not really into change, then it will be quite uncomfortable. But the good thing is, I feel right now is the last day of the 1 month adventure, and I feel so peaceful inside and so motivated to do new things and inspired to do new things in my life. So I'm quite eager to go back home and see what has changed.
It's an investment into yourself, and I feel very empowered now after the wow. So I would really recommend it.
Really to get to know yourself and to become aware of what you are doing and why you are doing it, and it actually sets you free.
Because it's such an intense program, the love is needed and the care is needed from them, and because I experienced that safety and that care, those deep experiences are possible.